thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Idol K and I do praise and worship Christian songs, covers, and tutorials on my ukulele. By the way, before we proceed sa ating ukulele tutorial for today, shout out muna kay Rick's Tiny Music. You guys wanna check out his channel. He also do ukulele covers and tutorials and also kalimba and guitar. I am interested on kalimba because I find it so relaxing. So maybe someday I could learn to play kalimba too. So, grab nyo na your uke and make sure na ito ay nasa standard tuning ng G, C, E, A because today I'm going to teach you 10,000 Reasons by Matt Redman. This song needs 4 easy chords. First chord is F, C, G, and A minor. If you're a beginner, let me show you the F chord. F, put your index finger sa second string, first fret, and then your middle finger sa fourth string ng second fret. F. Next, the chord of C, sa third fret, first string. And then G, the basic G chord. Put your index finger sa third string and then your middle finger sa first string, both on second fret. And then ring finger mo sa second string ng third fret. G. Next is A minor. Middle finger sa second fret, fourth string. For our strumming patterns, we're gonna need 2 strumming patterns. Okay? Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. A little bit slower. Down, 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 up. Very easy, diba? And then the next strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. A little bit slower for the beginners. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay. Proceed tayo agad sa chorus because this song starts with the chorus. First chord is F, bless the Lord. Remember na you have to play the chord sa tapat ng word. For example, nakalagay, bless the Lord. So, mag-strum ka sa F kapag nasa word na ng Lord. Bless the Lord. Yan, ganon. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Okay? So, start muna tayo sa F. Down, 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 up. C, down, 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 up. And then G, down, 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 up. And then A minor, down, 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 up. And then F, down, 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 up. C, down, 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 up. And then G, lalagyan ko ng tuldok sa tabi ng G para malaman mo or matandaan mo na yun ang strumming pattern doon ay down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Sa F, down, 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 up. And then A minor, down, 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 up. And then F, slash means one strum. F, G, tas A minor, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then F, down, 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 up. G, down, 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 up. And then C, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So without me having to say the chords and strumming patterns, this should sound like this. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh, my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh, my soul. I worship Your that leads you to verse 1. Sa ating verse 1, first chord is F. The sun comes up. The sun, down, up, C, down, down, up, G. Okay, bagalan lang natin. F, down, 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 up, C, down, 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 up, G, down, 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 up, A minor, down, 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 up, F, down, 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 up, C, down, 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 up, G, down, 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 up, tapos A minor, down, 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 up, F, down, 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 up, C, down, 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 up, and then G, down, 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 up, tapos dun sa A minor, dun sa what before A minor, isang strum lang. It depends on your style, ha. Pwede namang down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Pero I prefer 1 down strums. And then 1, 2, 3. Tapos F. Down, 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 up. Tapos C. Down, 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 up. And then G. Down, 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 up. Tapos C. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, without me having to say the chords and strumming patterns, again, ito yung verse 1. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. And that leads you again to the chorus. So, yung chorus, same pa rin. Tapos, after the chorus, yung verse 2, which is same pa rin as the verse 1, pati yung verse 3. So, I guess yun. Verse 1, verse 2, and verse 3 are almost the same chords and strumming patterns. So, dito na lang tayo sa kapag uulitin mo na yung chorus ng twice. Doon sa last line ng chorus, sa I'll worship your holy name, so, i-repeat mo siya ng 3 times. Actually, it depends on your style. Doon sa last line na C, para malink mo at makapag-repeat ka, ganito yung sa C, 2 down strum. Down, down, tapos yung up, 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 down, is yung A minor. So, down, down, up, 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 down, up, tapos F. Down, 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 up, G. Down, down, up, A minor. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, and then the last, sa third time nung I'll worship, F, down, 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 up, G. Tapos C, down, down, up, 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 down, up, and then sing like never before. F, down, 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 up, A minor, down, 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 up, tapos F, G, tapos A minor, down, up, 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 down, up, and then F, down, 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 up, tapos G, down, 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 up, tapos again, C, down, down, A minor, up, 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 down, up, tapos F ulit, down, 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 up, tapos G, down, 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 up, tapos A minor, down, down, up, 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 down, up, tapos F, down, 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 up, G, down, 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 up, and then para ma-end mo yung song, you can down strum C 1 time, down. So, para mas maintindihan mo, let me demo sa chorus dun sa last line na, no? I'll worship your holy name. watching, and I hope na may natutunan ka sa aking ukulele tutorial for today. I hope to see you on my next one. Thank you very much. If you want, you can consider to please to subscribe. And if you have any comments, suggestion, any song requests, shout-outs, or kahit na ano pa yan, you can comment down below. Huwag kang mahihiya. And also, you can follow me on my other social media accounts such as Facebook and Instagram. And may the good Lord blesses you. And I pray na sana ay magamit mo yung natutunan mo for your singing, praise, and worship para sa ating Panginoon. Always remember that worship, it's where God wasn't moved by the quality of your voice, but the condition of the heart. Love and light to you.